if I'd have known it would have been this bad, we would, honey.
Come here, Lily.
Come here, Miss Trinity. Come here, Miss Trinity. Miss Trinity.
Izzy. There's Jasmine. Oh, here comes Dad. Apollo.
Apollo, you sweet.
I think she's actually not going to potty.
Apollo.
Or not.
Apollo, leave her alone.
What you doing, Izzy? You tracking something? Hmm?
What, a leftover onion from the Crystal Burgers? What is this? What is this? What is this? I say you be good. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Oh. There's a kiss, kiss.